Today we are working on Excel Lesson 2, the 10th lesson, moving or copying worksheets. So this is what we have open, Department Budget Quarter. If necessary, click the Quarter 1 worksheet to display that worksheet. Click the New Sheet button to add a new worksheet. So right here is the New Sheet button, so click that. Note that the new worksheet is added to the right of the worksheet currently being displayed, so you can see that it did it right there. Go to step 2. Right click on the new worksheet, click rename, enter company to rename the tab, mark that as answered. On the home tab in the cells group, click the arrow for insert. You have to hit enter to make sure that that sheet is done. So click the insert, click the arrow and click insert sheet. Notice this procedure adds a new worksheet to the left of the active worksheet instead of the right. The worksheet should now look similar to the following. So you should have quarter 1 and then sheet 2, company, quarter 2, quarter 3, so on and so forth. With the addition of the second worksheet, the number of tabs may now exceed the space available to display them all, resulting in some worksheet tabs being hidden from view. On my particular computer, it's not hidden, but yours may look like this, where you can't see them all. That's what it's talking about. Position the cursor over the Resize handle located at the left side of the horizontal scroll bar so the mouse cursor changes to this. What it's wanting us to do, I can't do it on mine because mine fits, but if yours looks like this, the Resize handle is this right here. So it's telling you to click and drag it to the right or left so you can display all the worksheet names. You can see mine already displays it, but if yours looks like this, which many of yours will, that's what it's talking about doing. So mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Now enter data into this new worksheet and try deleting it. Select the Sheet 2 worksheet and type your first name into cell A1, whatever your name is. On the Home tab in the Cells group, click the arrow for delete. And then click Delete Sheet. If nothing has been entered into the worksheet, Excel deletes it without further prompting. However, if the worksheet contains data, Excel issues a warning message regarding data contents that might affect other data in the workbook, which ours did. So click Delete. The worksheet has been deleted from the workbook and the blank company worksheet is displayed. You can see right down here that's what's displayed. Next step, you will now create the quarter 4 worksheet by making a copy of the quarter 1 worksheet. Right-click the quarter 1 worksheet tab and click Move or Copy. The Move or Copy dialog box now appears in front of the quarter 1 worksheet. By default, Excel moves the current active worksheet to a new position. At the top of the dialog box, the current active worksheet is displayed. In the To Book list box right here. So the worksheet move or copy will happen within the same workbook. If you have another workbook open at the same time, you can select it in the To Book list. So that the selected worksheet can be moved or copied to that workbook. For this exercise, you're going to stay in the same workbook. Selecting the Create a Copy checkbox indicates that you want the current active worksheet to be copied. You also want this worksheet to the far right. So click the Create a Copy checkbox to activate it. Click Move to End in the Before Sheet list So right here, click Move to End, and then click OK. Excel has now created a copy of the current worksheet, including the worksheet name. Because no two worksheets can have exactly the same name, Excel has applied a number at the end of the new worksheet name. Double-click this quarter 1 with a 2 and change it to quarter 4. Press Enter. Select cell C4. Enter OCT for October. Select C4 again. Use the mouse to drag the autofill handle across to column E. You see that it created October, November, and December. So mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Now move one of the worksheets to a different location. Click the Company tab and drag it to a new position to the left of the quarter 1 worksheet tab, but do not release the mouse button yet. So drag it, but do not release the mouse button. Notice the icon and arrow indicating you are moving a sheet into this location. At the new location, release the mouse button. You can see that it put it before quarter 1. So let's submit it. Submit results. 6 green checks. Congratulations, this completes moving or copying worksheets.